Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi here. Today I have 10 cards, 1 Doodlebug collection. I will use 6x6 paper pad and a stamp set because I don't have the chit chat or odds and ends. This video is a collaboration with my friends Helen and Cherryl. So here I'm detaching the papers that I'm going to use, and I also have the scraps of paper, so I will use those too because I already used this paper pad last year, and this is the stamp set I will be using for today's cards. I have all my stamps on the paper, and then I will just pick that up with the little MISTI. I'm using 90-pound Strathmore watercolor paper because some of these images I will be fussy cutting after I color them. So I will just ink this up and stamp them on the paper. The good thing about using the MISTI is you can stamp multiple times to get that good impression out of your images. So here are my colored images. I colored them off camera with my Zig markers, and for the intricate ones I just use the 140-pound Strathmore watercolor paper because I know I'm not gonna fussy cut them, so and I will die cut them, so I just use the thicker watercolor paper. And now I'm going to add some glitter using my I think this one is the Stardust Stickles, or what's this one? Maybe it's the diamond Stickles. So I'm going to add Stickles on all of the images, colored images, and then I will set that aside to dry, and then we can move on to the next step. And here's a look of all my die cut images and fussy cut images. So for the other ones, I just cut them with my paper trimmer, and then I fussy cut all of this with my detailed scissor. For these images here, I'm going to distress the edges with my Distress Oxide inks. So the first one here is the Cracked Pistachio, and then Kitsch Flamingo, Shaded Lilac, and Squeezed Lemonade. I was gonna say Squid Lemonade. And then the last one is the Modelon Distress Oxide inks. I have my ready cut A2 size card bases. Some are top folding card bases and others are side folding. I also use DCWV Pastels 6x6 cardstock paper pad for matting my pattern papers. I already cut all my pattern papers, so all we need to do is adhere them on the card bases. I went on Pinterest to choose some card sketches to help me with my cards today. I'm going to let you watch this process, and I will see you at the end. Enjoy the video. And here are my adorable cards. I love the paper pad and images that I use on these cards. My favorite is the card number 6. Let me know in the comment section below which one is your favorite. And don't forget to check out my friends' videos if you haven't done so. Links of all the products and their channels will be in my description box below this video. I hope you like today's cards, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.